Drug court is a unique program for probationers who've been convicted of crimes involving substance abuse or related to substance abuse.
What we were seeing throughout the courts, across the nation, is that people were sort of just cycling in and out of the court system, and we weren't really addressing the core issue that was bringing them back and keeping them in the justice system, which was their substance abuse, their addiction.
When a defendant first enrolls in the drug court program, they appear to be broken. They're not sure of themselves. They have a long-term drug addiction, and they've lost their job, they've lost their family, lost their finances.
A lot of them are angry, high, pissed off that they have to be there, and it's a lot of work. We require a lot of them up front.
Drug court puts people in a position to succeed.
They learn the tools to stay clean and work on triggers and recognize the fact that their life is better without their substance abuse, and definitely being in the judicial system.
In other settings, a mistake, a stumble, an error can be catastrophic, and everyone gives up, you go to prison. In drug court, it's understood that this is a learning moment. Now we have to tear it apart. What happened? How did you relapse? What was going on? What tools didn't you use? What tools could you use? What more support do you need? Do you need an inpatient program for a while and then come back to it? We have to analyze all those things to try to help them.
There wasn't any one person, taking responsibility for making the decision. It was a team decision that would hopefully help this person get through their treatment and start living a sober lifestyle again. From the lawyers to the counselors to the probation officers, they all have pieces to add to the puzzle and to make it a full picture.
We're there to stand next to them when they're doing really good. We're also standing next to them when they have struggles, and we try to do what we can to help them get through those.
Drug court has such an impact in our community in so many ways. We reduce recidivism, we promote recovery. That reduces crime, it reduces people selling drugs, it reduces people using drugs, it supports families coming back together.
It's so rewarding when you see people graduating or people that have been testing dirty, they've been using for a long time, and then they come in, and when they start testing clean, they're so proud of themselves. I think we all are. It's incredible. It's great.
I'm sober. I'm definitely not in the same place I was 2 years ago. I've been clean 19 months now. I got my own place. I got a good job. I get to see my kids all the time, and I'm definitely not who I was, and I'm in a better place.
It's been amazing change, amazing. I mean, there's still challenges, but through the tools that I got in the inpatient facility that I went to, and then all the outpatient counseling, I've eventually just ground out a new way to live, and it just keeps getting better.
I think it really is a credit to Maricopa County and to the Superior Court that they have put the time and effort that they have into the program, not just for a year or two, but for 20 years. And I think the reason why they've done that mostly is because we've seen such great results from the people that have participated. So I really hope that the county and the court system and the public in general all realize the significant effects that drug court has had for 20 years, and hope that they realize that it's a really worthwhile endeavor that we hope continues for a long time, if not forever.
I was really happy to be here for the 10th anniversary, and I'm thrilled to be here again for the 20th anniversary, and I can't wait for the 30th anniversary. I want to see it keep growing. I want to see us continue to do the things that work, and drug court works.
On a daily basis, you're able to see the impact you have on the defendant, on the community, on the defendant's family, and knowing that you're part of that agent for change is very rewarding. To know that you've took somebody who is hopeless and now provided them hope and provided them inspiration to go on.
I hope that it stays in effect. I hope that there's more drug courts all over the country in the future, because I think that getting our citizens, getting people off of drugs and alcohol is definitely a benefit to society.
I just hope that our program continues to grow. I'm so grateful that we have drug court, that it continues to grow throughout the country. I'm so proud to be a part of a program that was one of the first.
I can't imagine how many, hundreds, thousands of lives you've saved, not just for the clients themselves, but the families, the children, the parents. I just want to give a big thank you, well done, and congratulations to everyone that's been part of this for the last 20 years.
I feel lucky. I feel blessed to be part of it. I also am encouraged with this movement that maybe we're helping the next generation and the next generation to stay out of that mess of drug use and the revolving door again of the criminal justice system, because I think that the more we can bring sober parents back into the world, the better off it's going to be for their kids and their kids after that.
Maricopa County is the third drug court in the country, so coming up on this 20-year anniversary is very exciting, and I'm glad to have been a part of it for 12 years and hope to stay a part of it, and hopefully we'll celebrate 20 more years.
Being involved in drug court was a really fabulous experience in my entire life. As a judicial officer, I'm sure that's going to be the most fun assignment that I'll ever have or hope to have. So for me personally, it was a very rewarding experience. Good luck to the next 20 years.
It is really one person at a time, and when you get to see how much that person is impacted, or to see a kid smiling and proud of his parent, mom or dad, because they're not using and they have them back in their lives, then that is what makes it why I keep doing it.
This is the most exciting part of the job that I do, is being involved in this particular drug court with this particular team of probation officers and county attorney, public defender, the judicial officers. This is the best part of coming to work, is being involved in this program.
Happy 20th. Thank you for everything that you guys have done for me. I appreciate the experience, and I'm blessed to have been here, so thank you.
If it weren't for drug court, I just wouldn't have any of the blessings that I have in my life today. Yeah, I don't know who came up with it or who devised it or how they figured out this program, but it's totally working for me, at least.